Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions. That is part 88. This is which are very useful for all competitive examinations, and whatever the questions have been discussed, they are all previous year questions. You can follow me on ICTA Kadri Facebook, and I request you guys to subscribe and like it and share it to your friends. And I want you guys to go through online, not the offline. So let us see what exactly it has been given. BJP leader LK Advani, Lal Krishna Advani, proceeding towards Ayodhya, was arrested in the 1990 in the month of October. That is at which place? That is Samastipur. In this place, LK Advani got arrested. Samastipur. The country recently adopted a new constitution, that is Germany had taken the recently new constitution have been adopted near about which is important. You have to find out what exactly from where our constitution is followed. Next we have the foreigner who receives Bharat Ratna award, that is in the year 1990. We can see he had got the award. Nelson Mandela had received the award in the year 1990. The rock-cut temples of Mahabalipuram were built by Pallavas. Please remember, guys, whatever the construction concerning to the Mahabalipuram, those rock-cut temples have been constructed by Pallavas. And the Khajuraho temple, which is located in Madhya Pradesh, that had been constructed by Chandela kings. Ajanta Ellora constructions have been done by the Rashtrakutas. So these are very important, guys. I hope you're getting everything. The earliest school of Indian philosophy, that is Sankhya. This was the earliest school of Indian philosophy, that is Sankhya. The thoughts of the Sufi saint have been incorporated in the religious book, that is Adi Granth. Please remember whatever the thoughts of the Sufi saint that have been incorporated in the religious book, that is Adi Granth of the Sikhs, that is Fariduddin Ganji Shankar. This is what exactly to remember. What exactly the thoughts of the Sufi saints. Sufi saints, the moment you listen the Sufi saint, you have to get what? Muinuddin Chishti. That has been incorporated in the religious book of Adi Granth. What are the Adi Granth we have in that? It has been those thoughts Fariduddin Ganji Shankar. As you can see, missionary travel, Sufi missionaries travel throughout new Muslim territories. Christian missionaries accompany. So these are the various things you have to remember. The Regulating Act was passed in the year, that is 1773. This Regulating Act had been implemented. Minto Marley Reforms Bill, which has been passed in the year 1909. In this year, Marley Minto reforms had been passed. The Viceroys of India, in whose time Indian Penal Code. Please remember whatever the Viceroys of India, in whose time Indian Penal Code, Civil Procedure Code and Criminal Procedure Code were passed. During the time of Lord Canning, he was the Viceroy. During that time, this IPC, Civil Procedure Code and Criminal Procedure Code have been passed. The first Panchayat Raj system was inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on the 2nd October 1959. It has been passed at Nagaur district of Rajasthan and then followed by the Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. There are various things. You can directly go through my playlist. The strategy adopted under the IRDP in the 7th plan was here adoption of village approach. This is what exactly the strategy have been adopted under the IRDP. I want you guys to comment me in this section what exactly the abbreviation of IRDP. So you can see National Panchayat Raj Day celebrated on which day? 24th April. This is celebrated. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can even join on Defense ICTA Telegram. There are more than 800 plus question papers have been given. You can directly go through them. So this is what exactly to remember. This is the playlist, how exactly it has been given. Next we have the balance of payment is defined as the complete record of all economic transactions between the residents of a country and the rest of the world. This is exactly the balance of payment is. It is defined as the complete record of all economic transactions between the residents of a country and the rest of the world. Next, the devaluation is the reduction on the value of currency in terms of gold. That is what exactly the devaluation is. It is the reduction in the value of currency. It is devaluation. Ayurveda, that is the science of life, appeared first in Atharvana Veda. We knew that we have the Vedas, Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda, which is the oldest one is Rig Veda and the new one is Atharvana Veda. In this Atharvana Veda, Ayurveda Samhita, as you can see to the right side how exactly Ayurveda Samhita had been written. So this is what the science Ayurveda you will find in Atharvana Veda. The Solicitor General of India is legal advisor, is the one, he will be acting as a legal advisor, so Solicitor General of India. Next we have the biggest desert of the world is Sahara, is biggest desert of the world. The Korba in Madhya Pradesh is known for copper. Please remember guys, whatever the Korba it is in Madhya Pradesh is known for copper. So maximum copper production you will find in the Korba. The continent of birds is the name for Asia. So here whatever the maximum birds you will find in the Asia itself. The Bakra Nangal is a joint project of the states Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. In these places Bakra Nangal you will find this project, joint project, that is concerning to the all these Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. Next we have datum line, which is a horizontal line from where heights and depths are measured. Please remember guys what exactly the datum line is. It is a horizontal line from where heights and depths are measured, that is known as datum line. And the Maginot line was a boundary between France and Germany. As you can see how exactly the boundary was between the France and Germany is Maginot line. And the boundary between India and Pakistan, that is Radcliffe line and 24th parallel, both are present. Project Tiger of the government envisages to save the Indian tiger from extinction. This is what exactly the function of the Project Tiger, that is to save the number of tigers. The date of April 6th, 1930 is known for what? That is Dandi March by Mahatma Gandhi. So where you will find the April 6, 1930, the Indian history, the Dandi March taken place. Chandrasekhar Azad, the revolutionary leader, was killed by the British by being shot dead in encounter. So this is what you have to remember. Chandrasekhar Azad, the revolutionary leader, was killed by the British by being shot dead in encounter. The first war of independence in the year 1857, War of Independence 1857, that had been taken place in the place that is in Uttar Pradesh at Meerut. Local self-government institutions in India were strengthened in the year 1882 by Lord Ripon. See, he was the viceroy, that is Lord Ripon. During his time, the local self-institutions in India were strengthened and they made stronger in the year 1882. Khilafat Swaraj Party was formed by C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru and as you can see here how exactly the Swaraj Party, so it has been formed by these three, Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das and Ajmal Khan. These are the one who had formulated Swaraj Party. So it was formulated by all these three, Ajmal Khan, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, who is the father of Jawaharlal Nehru. Next we have the remark Nehru is a patriot while Jinnah is a politician was made by Sir Muhammad Iqbal. Please remember guys, whatever this remark had been given by Sir Muhammad Iqbal had been given that Nehru is a patriot and Jinnah is a politician. According to Gandhiji, non-violence is an end in itself. This is what we knew, that truth and non-violence he had adopted this and they were the weapons and this is what an end in itself. The formula for transfer of sovereignty to India in the year 1947 was known as Mountbatten Plan. This is what exactly the transfer of sovereignty to India in the year 1947 was known as Mountbatten Plan. After Pune Pact of 1932, Harijan Sevak Sangh was established. Its president was Jagjeevan Ram. As you can see how exactly the Babu Jagjeevan Ram looks like. On his death anniversary, it has been celebrated, and the Pune Pact of 1932, Harijan Sevak Sangh was established. So Harijan Sevak Sangh founder, who is the founder and the president, and he was established. Its president was Jagjeevan Ram. So Jagjeevan Ram was the maiden president for the Harijan Sevak Sangh. This is my mobile number, guys. You can directly go through 7667302252. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me or message me. You will be given a free of cost. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.